I'm Jim and I'm the Director of Shed Beds Limited. We've been operational for 2 years now. We manufacture wooden bed frames. We found that imports from the Far East were just getting more and more expensive, so we decided to make our own here. Manual machinery. We process Scandinavian redwood into bed frame components. It's a great machine and it's sped the production time up. It was the first one I looked at, if I'm honest, and I was that impressed with it, I bought it there and then. I just think the whole machine's good. It works. It works for us, it's sped us up. That's the main thing. Made us more accurate as well. Yeah, they've been great. I mean, from the sales side to the after sales side, it's been good. We've had an issue, it was fixed within a day. So yeah, overall good.